Hi, this is Easy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create playlists on TikTok. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Have you noticed that some of your favorite TikTok creators have custom playlists on their profiles? Playlists make it super easy for your followers to easily view your multi-part TikTok clips as well as watch curated selection of your best content. And how to do it, how to create that playlist on your TikTok account. It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our TikTok. Now you can tap on your profile. As you can see, here's my TikTok, and I've created one playlist. And if you want to create another one, the new one, you can just tap on here. There is an option, gear icon on here. You can just tap on that. There is an option, create playlist. You can just tap on that. You can enter the playlist name. Like this, maybe for the example. Now you can tap on next. And now you can choose for the video that you want to include to the playlist. You want to add to the playlist. I will choose this. Now you can tap on done. So here's your new playlist on your TikTok. See, now you have two playlists on your TikTok account. It's so simple, right? And if you want to create another one, and see the you can see the gear icon on here because you haven't created in one playlist, you can just choose on the video that you want to add to your new playlist. You can tap on the three dots over here. There is an option add to playlist. You can just tap on that. And here you can choose new playlist. You can create a new playlist. It's so simple, right? So that is how to create playlists on TikTok. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!